Yes, my first nomination for Zee Cine Awards.
So how are you feeling?
I'm thrilled. I'm just happy to be here. All the nominees are amazing, and my name is on that list. I'm just happy.
Where's your hometown?
My hometown, I'm from Toronto, Brampton, Ontario, which is outside Toronto. But my family, I was born in Delhi. We migrated when I was 8 months old.
So
Grew up in Canada.
Upcoming song you are singing?
I can't say because you never know until they're out, unfortunately. I'm really thrilled. I had a great year with Valeria Dangal, Aidil Mushkil, Dishum, Okay Janu. So I'm happy and I'm just hoping that I have an equally or better year this year.
So Holi is coming and any song for Holi?
Any song for Holi?
Or maybe you can sing the song you're nominated for.
Yeah, I can do that.
Okay.
दिल पे पत्थर रख के मुँह पे मेकअप कर लिया, ओ दिल पे पत्थर रख के मुँह पे मेकअप कर लिया, मेरे सैया जी से आज मैंने ब्रेकअप कर लिया.
Would you say that Bollywood has gone truly global when it is sourcing talent from way
Definitely,
out of
I'm
India?
a product of YouTube, and I was discovered on YouTube by Rahman sir. So I think people are really looking outside the country, outside the city, from all across the country, but also all across the world. So I think things like YouTube and other social platforms like that are really helping artists come out.
Thanks. Can I keep your contact for an interview later?
I can give you my manager's contact.
Okay, whatever. I don't know how to whatever.
We'll help you with that.
Email or
Srisha
whatever.
will help you.
Or you give her your contact.
Media Award 2017.
Sorry?
How much excitement you are Media Award?
I'm very excited. This is my first awards for this season. I haven't been in India this year so far. I was traveling for a piece I was doing about dance for Discovery, which I drove through Myanmar. And then I was in the US for when Lion was in the Oscars, and now I'm back because Begum Jaan is releasing its trailer on the 14th of March.
Can you tell us about your character?
My character's name is Gulabo. She's very gulabi. There's not much I can say, but I don't know if you saw the reveal of the look today. I think Gulabo is in line with all the women of the house in Begum Jaan. She's fierce, she knows what she believes in, and she goes for it. And I think that that's a very important character for me to be playing in this day and age, when women are not able to speak their mind all the time, and it was International Women's Day. I think it's very fitting that Begum Jaan is releasing around this time, and we continue to fight the bastion of equality between men and women.
So tell us about your dress.
My dress is a beautiful navy sparkly number by Gavin Miguel. Gabby from Demi has styled me, a dear friend of mine. And more importantly, I'm wearing my mum on my arm tonight. So she's just come in from Australia. So everyone say hi to my mum.
From Australia?
Yes, I was born and brought up in, I was born in Perth and brought up in Melbourne. Hence, Lion was a really interesting film because it was about a cross-cultural sequence that happened, Dev Patel longing for his home country. And I think it was very fitting because I grew up in Australia and my journey in Bollywood has somewhat been about my longing for my country of heritage. So here I am.
Did I just hear you right? You said you were in the US for the Oscars?
I was not attending the Oscars, no, but Lion was at the Oscars, so I was there celebrating Lion.
Okay. Anything you want to share regarding Holi related?
Just have fun, guys. Be safe.
Is this your first awards show
For this year.
for this year? Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
Visual, ma'am, visual.
Great to be here tonight. I'm looking forward to see all the performances and the nomination awards function and everything.
tougher to do? Is it tougher to do?
Yes, actually, people think that comedy is very difficult, but it's very easy, but it's not, because it's about the timing and the body language and everything. You need to make people laugh, and it's very difficult. So it takes a lot of acting. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Sir, I would like to know that, considering the fact that these days expressing your opinion on social media has become, if people go through the scrutiny and all, what do you think about the freedom of expression on that matter?
Well, I don't know. I mean, you have to be responsible, but you're free to talk. So, we've always fought the censor or the CBFC.
Right.
And for example, lipstick under my burqa, or whether it was Udta Punjab, we've always stood by. And it's great that the industry now stands together.
Right.
So it's not a young person like Alankrita Srivastava, who's a new director.
Right.
She's not alone, And because, what do you do to a passion of young people like her? And who will change cinema? They are the future. It's a brilliant film. It's a film about, it's so engrossing, it's so lovely, it's so lyrical. Why would you stop that? And the people are old enough, mature enough. If they don't like a film, then reject it. The film will not, harm anything in Indian society. So I think whether it's in the social media or in cinema, you have to be allowed to express your view.
Sir, in future, will you make the film in Narendra? In Narendra Modi Prime Minister, in future, will you make the film
About?
on Narendra Modi, about Prime Minister?
Well, I am very excited. I have very good relations with DNA and the entire team. So I'm quite excited for them. I'm here to have a very good time with them and party the night away.
Can you tell us about your dress? You're looking beautiful.
Well, I'm wearing one of my favorite designers, Falguni and Shane Peacock. I think they make amazing creations, and I'm wearing one of from their latest collection.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Visual.
Yes, bye.
I'm here.
What are your predictions? What are your predictions for the evening? Which film do you think would be back
I have no clue. I've only come for my husband. He's been nominated in 2 categories. So I'm pretty excited for that. He's not here. He's traveling. So I've come to cheer him if he does get.
Where is he?
He's in Kerala.
Okay.
Yeah.
On work or?
No, he's gone for some work, Sorry?
आपके लिए कितने मायने रखता है Zee Cine Award?
I think Zee Cine Awards is very, very creditable and बहुत अच्छा है, and I hope the deserving person wins.
So Kareena is also performing.
Yes, it's pretty exciting. Yeah. She is a rock star.
What would be your comment on what we are about to see? Who all have you choreographed?
Well, every award I have to keep on trying to make it different. I can't keep the same song. It drives me crazy. I can't do Kala Chashma in 50 different ways, but we have to do it like that. And it's tough, it's challenging, but that's my role as a choreographer, to do things that are new. And thank God I do things that are new, and I don't repeat the same things. So for me, that's important.
And of course, the talent at your disposal this year, what would you have to say? The performers that you got?
Well, luckily Alia and Varun are my students, so I'm very excited about that. And I'm very excited about Govinda and Ravina, because I love Govinda. I think he's one of the finest actors and dancers. And we have Sunny Leone. I've never choreographed her ever before. So it's going to be a great variety today.
All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you, dear. Thank you.
I'm left.
Hello ma'am.
Hi.
Many congratulations for Begum Jaan.
Thank you.
Want to know, Begum Jaan, does these 2 words relate to real life of yours?
Yeah, I think I am Begum. And hopefully kisi ki jaan.
What are you doing in Holi?
Holi, I think it's going to be a quiet celebration.
प्रमोट कर रही हूँ तो उस दिन लेट सोऊंगी. No, if I do celebrate, it'll be a small family affair. Yeah, thank you. It'll be best if I say anything after the release, but I'm very excited कि बेगम जान का 90-second promo यहाँ दिखा रहे हैं for the first time in front of a live audience. That too. Let's hope everyone loves it and then waits desperately for the 14th of April like I am. That's when the film releases.
Ma'am, on 14th trailer is releasing. How curious you are?
You know, I think people are curious. I know how it looks.
Well, I think the best will win, and all the movies are good. All the movies are good, and definitely I feel कि the best है, अच्छी जी picture है, and वो जीते और Zee Cine Awards को हमेशा देखते हैं हम लोग, and we're looking forward for this lovely event tonight. Thank you.
So you're performing tonight with Raveena. How excited you are? Very excited. I'm just looking forward for the performance. That's why I've come here today.
Is this the first time you'll see him perform live?
Live performing after a long time.
Ma'am, in future, will you come in Bollywood anytime?
Yeah, if I get something good, I will definitely work.
One inspiration actor, actress, one inspiration actress.
I think we have lovely actresses already in Bollywood. I think you can't choose one of them.
And what about Govinda?
He's the best.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ma'am, how much excitement?
I'm as excited as my sleeves. जब नॉमिनेशन होता है तो एक्साइटमेंट, नर्वसनेस, एंजाइटी सब मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा होती है. So let's see what happens, and I'm very happy to be here.
What shade is that?
You know, it's a mixture of two lipsticks. I know it's one MAC something, and it's a lipstick called Sad Girl by Anastasia Beverly Hills. But I'm not sad, I'm
So
happy.
which came first? The shade you decided or the dress came first?
The dress came first.
Ma'am, Zee Cine Award कितने मायने रखते हैं आपके लिए? कितने इम्पोर्टेंट है Zee Cine Award?
I think मायने रखता है, क्योंकि इस साल जब मुझे अवार्ड्स मिले बहुत सारे, तो मुझे कॉन्फिडेंस मेरा कितना ऊपर हुआ है उससे मुझे रियलाइजेशन हुई है कि it is important for once in a while to be acknowledged. Maybe next year if I'm not, I'll be fine, but this year I'm very happy that I've been nominated, getting awards.
How many already in the kitty this season? How many awards already in the kitty?
Filmfare and Stardust are already in the kitty. Now let's see what happens tonight.
You can't ask for other awards.
Sorry. Sorry.
Thank you so much. Please. What's your plan for Holi?
I plan to party with myself.
Please tell us about your necklace. It's just beautiful.
This is from Amrapali, and I'm very Manish with
Looking gorgeous. And
You are going to ask me?
you always look dapper, you know. So So one holy wish for the viewers.
Happy Holi for my fans and be safe.
And looking forward to an awards very soon where she is nominated and wins the trophy. I don't know how soon.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
He's presenting.
Happy Holi, happy Holi, happy Holi.
So recently you went to Bangkok.
Yeah.
So how was your experience? I mean, the whole market was
Fantastic. The state is very, very special state. I've never been to East India, and I would love to go back again and again. It's a very special state, very special people, very special location.
Alright. And what's your plan for Holi? And please wish for Holi.
See, for me, Holi is to make mockery of my life, my pretensions, and play with colors till I lose my identity. And you know, just.
Thank you. Happy Holi. And what's your number?
Thank you.
We want to
Dangal.
Sorry. So, for Sultan.
Thank you, but I take that as well.
We want to know that you have lost a lot of weight. So transformation is looking just dapper on you. And how you see the transformation? Physical transformation.
A lot of pain. A lot of pain. So I've been training for Tiger and I'm doing another film which is a dancing film. So I'm training for that right now. So from Sultan I was 96 kilos. I've almost dropped about 18-20 kilos.
You have been rooting for the leading heroes of Bollywood. You are rooting for each other's film leading to a new chapter in Kamaradri.
Jay, I've always done that. I've always done that. The bigger the hits and the more the hits, the better for the industry.
And Holi wishes. Thank you. Holi wishes.
Wish you all a very happy Holi. All.
Thank you so much.
I'm done. I have just about 3 days left for Agdesh and then I'm over and done.
Okay. What are you expecting from the night?
Well, lots of entertainment obviously. Lots of glamour, entertainment, and I'm looking forward to the awards actually. I'm really looking forward to see who wins Best Actor and Best Actress.
Any upcoming projects?
Well, Holi wishes just, I wish everybody a really, really colourful Holi. I hope it's really special for everyone. And be safe, play safely, and have a great year. Thank you.
कलर आप रिलेट करें होली के लिए और क्यों?
क्यों? लाल, because लाल is my favorite color. और लाल होली में जचता भी है. Yeah, thank you.
Can't you see we are very excited? I'm really excited to be here with my daughter, especially because I hardly attend. But since last year her film Fan released, and because of that she is very happy to be a part of this industry. She's new, she's growing, and I know she's going to go a long way.
Any tips you're giving?
Tips? Not to stress about coming to award functions. That's the tip. That's होली के लिए हमेशा यही मैसेज रहेगा, खूब एंजॉय करो लेकिन किसी को तकलीफ मत दो, पानी वेस्ट मत करो.
And one color you relate to Holi, one color you relate to Holi or why?
yellow because it never goes off my face. Which I love. With the color that I love. Red. Why? I love red because कितना भी निकालो जाता नहीं है. तो दाग अच्छे होते हैं ना, so I like red. Thank you. Sultan and Dangal.
Sultan and Dangal facing off. So, as part of Team Dangal, what would you say?
We to wish that Dangal wins. What else?
फिल्में होती है, किसी को भी मिलेगी तो अच्छा ही लगेगा.
Yeah. I think Sultan was equally
अच्छा
good.
लगेगा. But कोई भी फिल्म को मिलेगा तो अच्छा ही लगेगा.
Do you think those are the two biggest contenders? क्या लगता है?
पता नहीं मुझे. All films are. You know, it's very difficult for me to judge who am I. I've enjoyed these films as an audience. और मैं जो भी वहाँ क्या गा रहे हैं? छोड़ो अब मेरी बातें क्या उनका गाने.
So, we know all the actors are very much social media friendly. So, which Snapchat filter you both have found out?
I'm not socially friendly. I am inactive on most of the social medias. अगर आप में से कोई मुझे follow करता है तो उनको पता है.
I am. My favorite Snapchat filter have to be the bee one, which is not there now, but I really love the bee filter.
I like the dog one.
Okay. It's there, like it's still there. Yeah, it's still there.
You can check it out.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
I am attending first time for Zee Cine Award. I am very excited because I have nomination for Sultan title track. Need your blessing, your love always.
Can you sing that song?
चल मोड़ दे उसका पंजारे, सात आसमां चीरे, अब सात समंदर पीरे, चल सात सुरों में कर देंगे ऐलान. कौन? सात आसमां झीले और सात समंदर पीले, चल सात सुरों में कर देंगे ऐलान. हिम्मत है तो रोको और जुर्रत है तो बांधो, रे आज हथेली पे रख दी है जान. खून में तेरे मिट्टी, मिट्टी में तेरा खून, ऊपर अल्लाह नीचे धरती, बीच में तेरा जुनून, रे सुल्तान. सभी को मेरी तरफ से होली की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं.
कितने अवार्ड्स लग रहा है सुल्तान को मिल सकता है आज?
बहुत अवार्ड मिलने वाले हैं आज सुल्तान को, देखते रहिए आप.
कौन सी के लिए आप खुद बेचैन हैं?
सब कुछ मिलेगा सुल्तान को. म्यूजिक में तो नहीं बोल सकता हूँ मैं, बिकॉज म्यूजिक में ए दिले मुश्किल के ज़्यादा चांसेस हैं, पर और बाकी तो सुल्तान और दंगल दोनों. डेफिनेटली इंशाल्लाह मैं जल्दी बताऊंगा आपको. इंशाल्लाह सब होगा. थैंक यू सो मच. नहीं. इसको ही
Thank you so much.
Can you tell us how much your excitement means in your heart?
It's always a good thing to see everybody winning. I've come here to just present an award. So I wish everyone all the best and may the real winners win. I'm wearing Falguni Shane. She's my friend, a very good designer and very international known designer. So I always very comfortable with her outfit. She always makes me look very gorgeous.
Any upcoming projects?
We started with Shubmangal Savdan. I'm co-producing it with Anand Rai. And the next is with Anand Rai again. I think it's announced. We're going to start with Shah Rukh. Yeah.
What about the Shah Rukh character?
It's a let it come, no? We are starting. He's playing a very interesting role. I don't think so he's ever played such a role. So I think I'm sure it's one of the biggest project for him. Huh? Opposite.
Sorry.
No, not at all. Thank you. Thank you.
Happy Holi.
Thank you. So how are you looking this evening tonight?
I've always come for Zee Awards. I won my first debut award for Zee in 2001. So I owe a lot to Zee Awards, and they are, I think, one of the most genuine awards. Not because I got it in 2001, but because I just like the whole Zee family, and I've worked with them through my films. My films have run on their satellite channels. Our serials and Balaji have done so well on Zee. And now I won an award for Zee twice I think, once for Golmaal also. So there's a good connection, a warm connection, an old association.
कितना मायने रखता है आपको देखने अवार्ड?
मतलब मैं अभी आज तो एंजॉय करने आया हूँ, सबकी परफॉर्मेंसेस देखने आया हूँ, बस मस्ती करने आया हूँ, थोड़ा बहुत गोलमाल करने आया हूँ.
How is your baby?
He's well, he's 9 months now. He's gone to sleep at 8 o'clock.
Okay. Sorry, what did you say?
I said he just went to sleep at 8. Yeah. Thank you.
Hello. Happy Holi to everybody.
होली में क्या कर रहे हो? होली में what's your plan for Holi?
Nothing to play Holi with the kids.
Yeah, and what's your expecting from you guys? Like, there are nominations.
Yeah, I'm nominated in lots of songs. So,
So excited. Which one is your personal favorite that you wish we know that?
I'm nominated for all Aidil Mushkil songs actually.
Yeah, so
And also Dangal, the Dangal title. So, I don't know, what else?
which one is more close to your heart?
Song wise?
Yeah.
I'm a little romantic type, so Aidil Mushkil.
So, we want क्या होली में wishes दें और होली के लिए थोड़ा कोई एक गाना होना चाहिए.
होली के लिए सबको बेस्ट विशेस होली का जम के होली खेलिए और बी सेफ इन होली. और होली के लिए गाना, अच्छा होली के लिए तो गाना सबसे जो बलम पिचकारी जो तूने मुझे मारी तो सीधी सादी चोरी शराबी हो गई. हाँ जीन्स पहन के जो तूने मारा ठुमका तो लट्टू पड़ोसन की भाभी हो गई. थैंक यू.
एक कलर आप रिलेट करें होली के लिए, आप एक कलर रिलेट करें होली के लिए. एक कलर जो आप रिलेट करें होली के लिए, जो आपका पसंदीदा कलर है होली के लिए.
होली के लिए लाल और हरा सबसे ज़्यादा रिलेट करते हैं, बिकॉज वो जो गुलाल होते हैं वही मेनली लाल और हरा का होता है, तो पिंक भी होता है, वही हमेशा गुलाल के साथ रिलेट करते हैं.
3 nominations, right?
No, I've got lots of nominations. I saw one card where like half of the nominations were mine.